For me, I hope that the Animal-Free Research Centre of Excellence will provide me a very thorough training in animal-free techniques that I can then apply to different areas of science. I can then conduct all of my research in an animal-free way, and I hope that it will inspire other people around the university and beyond to use these techniques and adopt them.
The ARC model means we'll get students right at the beginning of their career to ground them in animal-free research techniques and then take on in their future labs to be able to use those approaches in their own research. It's a really different way of training our scientific workforce. Nothing else exists like it anywhere.
Hopefully my research will prove that we can do science and we can have a scientific career without the use of any animal products or animal techniques.
The translation between animals and people is not always exact, and you often see things which happen in animal models but don't happen in people. We're going straight to people so that we can be sure that the findings from our experimental systems can be immediately translated into what's happening in people.